How to control lace bugs in your flower garden. If you suspect a lace bug problem in your flower garden, get out your magnifying lens, because these garden pests are only about 1/8 inch long. Under magnification, you can see where these bugs get their name. Their transparent wings form a lacy shield over their square-shaped bodies. In the flower garden, the most likely victims of lace bugs are azalea bushes, particularly those growing in sunny locations. The adult bugs and their larvae feed on azaleas and other flowering plants and shrubs throughout the growing season, using their sharp mouthparts to pierce plant foliage and suck the juices from leaves. Damage from lace bugs is primarily cosmetic and does not seriously harm plants. Damage caused by lace bugs. 1. Adults and nymphs feed on the underside of leaves by inserting needle-like mouthparts into leaf tissue. This creates small, white or yellow mottled spots on the upper leaf surface. 2. Feeding damage is most noticeable in mid to late summer when populations are at their highest. 3. Heavy feeding can cause severe leaf discoloration and premature leaf drop. 4. Healthy, mature trees and shrubs can tolerate damage by lace bugs. 5. If feeding happens for several consecutive years, plant growth can be reduced in new transplants. 6. Lace bug populations and the extent of damage vary from year to year. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to handling an infestation, assessing the damage, and preventing lace bugs. So keep watching, get your solution, and enjoy. Method 1. Handling an infestation. Number 1. Rinse plants that have a minor infestation. If you only notice a few lace bugs per leaf, you might be able to use a hose to get rid of them. Make sure your hose has a strong stream of water, and spray down the plant to wash the bugs away. Number 2. Spray insecticides onto the bottom of leaves. Lace bugs and their larvae often feed on the bottom of leaves, so you will need to spray the insecticide directly onto the undersides of the leaves. Start in late spring when the eggs first hatch, and reapply every 10 to 14 days. You can use an insecticidal soap, but make sure you spray the bugs directly with it. Pesticides, such as pyrethrin or neem oil, also work. Insecticides will kill nymphs and adults, but not eggs. Number 3. Apply horticultural oil in the fall to kill eggs. The eggs appear as black spots along the veins of the leaf. These cannot be killed with insecticides, but they can be killed with horticultural oil. Spray it along the underside of each leaf in the fall. Number 4. Apply neonicotinoids to the soil if other methods haven't worked. Neonicotinoids include imidacloprid and dinotefuran. When added to the soil, the plant may absorb the substances, which can keep the plant bug-free for a whole season. These typically come as a granule or as a concentration. If you have a granule version, sprinkle it around the base of the plant. Water the plant afterwards. If you have a concentration, follow the instructions on the label to mix it with water. Pour it evenly around the base, and water the plant afterwards. Keep in mind that neonicotinoids may also kill off beneficial bugs. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Assessing the damage. Number 1. Examine the leaves. You only need to treat plants that are currently infested with lace bugs. Lace bugs cause white spots to appear on the leaf. The larger your infestation, the paler your leaves will become. A few white dots may mean a small infestation, while leaves that are almost completely white indicate a much larger problem. The underside of the leaf may be covered in dark excrement. Do this every 2 weeks, starting in early spring and ending in late summer. Number 2. Check the undersides of leaves to look for the bugs. There are 3 different stages of a lacebug's life. If you can reduce their numbers in early spring while they are still nymphs, you may be able to prevent an infestation in summer. Eggs are small, black, and oval. 3 generations of eggs can be laid in 1 year, beginning in spring and ending in fall. Fall eggs will hatch next spring. Nymphs are small. They may have black, spotted markings, and they have not developed wings yet. Nymphs can hatch as early as April and as late as September. Adults have large wings with a lacy pattern. They may start appearing in early summer. Number 3. Monitor for early leaf drop. Severe infestations may cause the plant's leaves to drop early. At this point, you should use heavier pesticides to eliminate the lace bugs. New leaves should grow back as long as the infestation is handled. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. How to prevent lace bugs. Number 1. Move your plants into partial shade. Lace bugs enjoy the sun. If your plants are currently in a sunny area, move them to an area with partial shade. Number 2. Use acidic mulch. An acidic mulch may encourage lace bugs to stay away. Use one that contains oak leaves, pine bark, pine needles, or leaf mold. Avoid mulch that includes shredded hardwood, as it won't be very acidic. Number 3. Plant lace bug-resistant varieties of azaleas. Some varieties of azaleas do not attract lace bugs. If your issue is with specifically azalea lace bugs, you may be able to control the population by planting these varieties. Dawn, Pink Star, Cavalier, Pink Fancy, Salmon Pink, Elsie Lee, Red Wing, Sun Glow, Merle. Number 4. Introduce insects that prey on lace bugs. Introducing predators is a natural way to keep the lace bug population down. You can visit a nursery to buy these bugs. Some predators that you can introduce to your garden include green lacewings, assassin bugs, spiders, predatory mites. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Do lace bugs attack trees? Lace bugs do infest and feed on deciduous trees in some areas. Species known to be susceptible include hackberry, oak, sycamore, walnut, white oak, bur oak, willow, basswood, and London plane tree, among others. As with shrubs, the damage to trees caused by lace bugs is primarily cosmetic and typically is not fatal. When should I treat for lace bugs? In general, treatments for lace bugs are most effective when started during spring and early summer, when the season's first generation of nymphs are developing. Treatment should continue through summer to combat subsequent generations. There may be 3 or 4 total, depending on the area. Leaf damage may not be noticeable or significant until late summer. At this time, treatment may not be worthwhile because it will not prevent from much additional damage, and the damage cannot be reversed. What are azalea lace bugs? There are about 140 species of lace bugs in North America. Many of the better-known species have common names derived from the plants a given species targets most, such as azalea lace bugs, sycamore lace bugs, oak lace bugs, and hawthorn lace bugs. Treatment methods generally are not specific to species, but your local extension may have special tips for treating the most common lace bugs in your area. Warnings. Lace bugs can also affect trees, such as sycamore trees and evergreens. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.